Hello everybody, welcome back to ACE SAT. In today's video we're solving yet another real SAT math question from the official College Board Educator question bank. This one with question ID E29586d5, Advanced Math. So the same 20 contestants on each of 3 days answered 5 questions in order to win a prize. Each contestant received 1 point for each correct answer. The number of contestants receiving a given score on each day is shown in the table above. So here we're given the number of contestants by score and day. So this is on day 1, how much 5 out of 5 answers were correct. So 2 people got all questions correct, 3 people got 4 questions correct, 3 people got 4 questions, or 4 people got 3 questions correct, and so on. So you could see the pattern here. This will add up to 20 people, and correspondingly, respectively, how much of the questions out of 5 they got correct on every single day. So, no contestant received the same score on 2 different days. If a contestant is selected at random, what is the probability that the selected contestant received a score of 5 on day 2 or day 3, given that the contestant received a score of 5 on one of the 3 days? Now, this is here we're given a hint. Here, whenever the SAT gives you the keyword given in a probability such as this one, it means conditional probability. Now, what does conditional probability mean? Conditional probability means you're going to use um, the probability of the occurrence before the given over the probability of the occurrence after given. So here they're asking us what is the probability that the selected contestant receives a score of 5 on day 2 or day 3. Now we're going to take that as possibility A, or the first possibility. Now, how do we find this? We're going to find how many people scored a score of 5 out of 5 on day 2 and add that to the score of 5 out of 5 on day 3. That would be 2 plus 3, right? Over 60, the overall total, because that is over the full probability. Now, in that case, 5 out of 60 is the probability that the score is equal to 5 on day 2 or 3. Right here, I've pinpointed that. That would be A. And probability of B will be the score of 5 on either day. Now, what is after the given is the occurrence of B, or the second probability. Now, we just use A and B just for convenience. So probability A will be the occurrence before the given keyword, and probability of B would be after the given keyword. Now, obviously, given over here is extremely important. Any probability question that has this sort of a word inserted into it just gives indication that the question would be about conditional probability, where you're going to do probability of A over probability of B. The probability of B would be the score of 5 on either day. Now we add the score of 5 on day 1, day 2, and day 3. That gives us 7 over the total number of scores, which was 60. Now 7 over 60 is probability of B. Now, as the equation here tells us to do, we're going to divide the probability of A, 5 over 60, divided by the probability of B, 7 over 60. Now that would be 5 over 60 divided by 7 over 60. Now the 60s cancel each other out, and 5 divided by 7 gives us the answer 5 over 7, which would be the correct answer.